I hadn't been to a movie in a while, but every movie I went to had some kind of a jumper trailer. But they were really spent a lot of money. That guy his dad must have photos on somebody in Hollywood or something.
Who's that?
That actor. I don't know. He's played Anakin. Cause
oh yeah, that was him in that. Yeah, and he was not a great actor in that one either, but he was better.
Well, we survived the rain last night.
Natalie Portman.
Yes, we did.
Woo, son. I like Natalie Portman.
We were kind of worried there for a while. The wind got blowing, our flaps started flapping.
That's just Amidala.
But we stayed dry.
There was some funky makeup.
Right, Kip?